If you're struggling with how to prioritize blog topics based on SEO value, you're not alone. But today we're going to solve that problem in just 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and prioritize blog topics that will boost your SEO rankings and drive traffic to your website. Stay tuned to discover a method that actually works, plus an exclusive offer you won't find anywhere else. Let's get into it. The first step in prioritizing blog topics based on SEO value is understanding the search intent behind your keywords. When you search for potential blog topics, don't just focus on high-volume keywords. Consider whether they align with what your audience is truly searching for. A topic may have a high search volume, but if it doesn't match the user's intent, it won't perform well. For example, someone searching for best smartphones may not be looking for a blog post reviewing the latest models, but more of a guide on choosing the right one. Always think about the intent behind each search. Next, you want to analyze keyword difficulty. Not all keywords are created equal. If a keyword has high search volume but also high competition, it might be a harder nut to crack. Use an SEO tool like Insert Tool Name to determine keyword difficulty. This gives you a quick idea of how tough it will be to rank for that keyword and whether it's worth your time to write a blog post about it. The lower the difficulty, the easier it will be to get noticed. Another critical factor to consider is keyword relevance. High volume keywords won't do you any good if they aren't relevant to your niche or target audience. A blog post about SEO tips for beginners might bring a lot of traffic, but if your website focuses on e-commerce, it may not attract the right visitors. Make sure the blog topics you choose align with both your audience's interests and your business goals. Also, consider the content gap. Sometimes the best blog topics are those that no one else has written about yet, or at least haven't covered thoroughly. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to identify these gaps. Look for keywords with good search volume and low competition. If you can be one of the first to cover a topic in depth, you'll have a better chance of ranking higher on search engines. Don't forget to look at what your competitors are doing. Review their blogs and find out which topics are bringing them the most traffic. This can give you insights into what's working in your industry, so you can either create similar content or offer a fresh perspective on the same topic. Tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush allow you to track your competitors' top-performing pages and uncover opportunities to write better content. And finally, use a content calendar to stay organized and ensure you're focusing on the topics that matter most. Plan your blog posts around your keyword research and prioritize them based on SEO value and relevance. This ensures you're not just writing random content, but creating blog posts that will help you rank higher and attract the right audience. So what's the key takeaway from all of this? Prioritize blog topics based on search intent, keyword difficulty, relevance, and competition. Make sure you're choosing topics that match both your audience's needs and your SEO goals. Quick recap. First, understand search intent to target the right audience. Second, check keyword difficulty to know if it's worth pursuing. Third, ensure relevance to your niche. Fourth, look for content gaps to find untapped opportunities. Finally, analyze your competitors and plan accordingly. Before I go, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've got for you in the description below. If you want to follow along with the tools I mentioned in today's tutorial, check it out. That's all for today. Go ahead, start prioritizing your blog topics the right way and watch your SEO grow.